Basketball's rulebook is closely guarded by two men in obnoxiously hard-to-miss black and white striped shirts, known as referees. Their job is to run along the court with the players, whistles in hand, to ensure that no rule is broken. Basketball has a lot of rules. Not as many as you probably had as a teenager, but still enough. The ball travels along the court by being dribbled. However, once a player stops dribbling a ball, he cannot resume dribbling unless he passes it, and it is passed back to him. If a player does not do this, it is referred to as a double dribble, and the other team gets possession of the ball. If he doesn't dribble at all and still moves with the ball, this is known as traveling. Refs are also on the lookout for fouls, which occur when a defensive player attempts to get the ball from an offensive player, but he makes contact with the player's body. This can either result in restarting the play from the sideline or from the foul player garnering 2 shots at the foul line. Offensive players can also receive a blown whistle from the ref with the call of charging, which is when they aggressively approach the basket and use excessive force. A basketball game is broken into 4 12-minute quarters with a 15-minute halftime. Perfect for a trip to the bathroom, although it probably won't be quick. You're not the only one with this great idea. After halftime, the team's baskets are switched and they resume play. Each team is given an unlimited number of substitutes, but only 3 timeouts each, which coaches use to regroup the team's efforts and play ideas. Check out more videos at Kubia.com.